Hi, good morning. Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Today I'm going to tell you the real story behind the long-term investment plan in this company, TTWO Interactive Software. So if you stay until the end, you are going to learn, I'm pretty sure, a lot of information that will be available in the future. Having said this, I do recommend that you visit the most recent article on the live blog, which I'm going to comment, okay? Live technical analysis by TTWO Interactive Software, ticker TTWO. It happens that this company, the valuation, price to earnings is more than 2,000, and if you have been selling short TTWO Interactive Software, you are bankrupt, since if you imagine, well, a company as Tesla Motors with price to earnings infinitum, it is possible to have companies in the market with price to earnings 2,000 or plus, okay? So when people they say that Netflix, it has been expensive for years, well, you have here TTWO Interactive, the stock rallied more than 1% since I recommended it, and well, the case of Tesla Motors, probably it is one of the most expensive stocks in the world, since you have by stock analysts strong buy ratings in Tesla Motors, and in the case of TTWO Interactive, they had strong sell ratings, all right? So what is the story behind this very important company? You have the links, and bear in mind this is very important, you have the links telling you the story behind the TTWO Interactive Software in this article. First of all, a couple of years ago, when I predicted that Altera Corporation was going to be acquired by Intel, and bear in mind that no one believed at that point, including Jim Cramer, stock analysts, they were downgrading Altera Corporation. If you don't believe me, just Google it. They had sell ratings in Altera Corporation. Well, the fact is that Altera was, as you are, or it is of your knowledge, acquired, and I reiterated the strong buy rating in Altera. I posted a video on demand included on Vimeo for small investors, saying Altera is going to be acquired. In that video on demand, I included 2 free stock picks. That was the case with Yoico, a stock that rallied more than 300%. I repeat, this was a couple of years ago, and therefore you understand the long-term value of our service, video on demand, with clear instructions to invest in the markets in certain stocks in a long-term basis. And in Yoico, the same situation as in Altera, stock analysts, they had strong sell ratings. And you have the proof of it precisely in the articles when I addressed at that time the case of Yoico, a stock that rallied more than 300%. Deutsche Bank had a sell rating downgrading at the very bottom. I still remember it, I will not ever forget it. $13 when they were downgrading, and 30 cents Yoico, that then rallied to more than $34 per share, okay? So that video on demand, which was available to small investors, included not only the case of Altera, as well as Yoico, as well as TTWO Interactive, okay? So this video has a long-term perspective, and therefore in all stock picks included in the video, you continue profiting. I'm referring to a video which price was at that time, I believe, to be $1,900. So imagine the value. This after 2 years you are still profiting from the video that you acquired a couple of years ago. So you have here the links, and you have here also a live stock chart, all right? And this live stock chart, it is a complementary one, it is a recent one, explaining that you could obviously buy TTWO Interactive. The live stock chart, it is available public worldwide since shares $49.70. Here you can also visualize that we have a long position in TTWO Interactive, and as of Friday, TTWO Interactive Software reached a new all-time high, basically $54. So no matter which price you acquired shares of this company, following my personal guidance and complementary stock picks available here, there are hundreds of them, all of them with profits. This has been one more case. Moreover, in this particular case, I wanted everyone to profit from Take-Two Interactive, and therefore this was also given in my course, the live technical analysis for traders, and therefore those they are going also to have this week a lesson explaining in detail this stuff that has been here. All right, so this is the lesson and the real story behind Take-Two Interactive, that in fact it is correlated with other strong buy rating that we had in the markets for several years. I'm referring to Electronic Arts, ticker ERTS, which I upgraded to strong buy since $20. Okay, so you just have to see whether today it is trading these companies. If I'm not mistaken, you have it here just for your reference. Okay, I'm going to pull here the level 2, and you have Take-Two Interactive here at $53 plus, and you have this company here not yet available, but well, since we are pre-market, but for your reference, we will stay with the Take-Two Interactive software. And once again, congratulations to everyone for following our complimentary live market guidance in the blog of the company, and continue profiting from the market, since it has been extra